Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So I am back with new Instagram update. So Instagram has added one more new features to Instagram stories today. So that is Instagram questions. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to use this and also the answers, how these answers from your friends or followers look like. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram app. So for now I have opened my Instagram app, and this is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow my Instagram account. So first of all, go to home and select any image you want to select. Like for now I am selecting this image, or whatever the image you want to select, or video, whatever you want to select. Then you can click on this sticker. As you can see, once we click on this one, you can see one sticker as questions. So you can click on this one. So if you want to ask anything like how are you, you can ask the questions, and you can also rotate this whatever you want. You can rotate this. If you want to delete this sticker, you can drag and drop in this delete icon. So for now I am deleting this and I am keeping as a default. So it asks me a questions. Then click on this one and tap on send. So once you click on this one, so this story is posted. So now, as you can see, I have posted my stories. So just click on this one and go to that stories. As you can see here, you can see, so it was seen by 139 people. And when we will click on this icon here, you can see the questions they have asked. Hello single, post some videos, name, reveal your identity. So in this way you can see all those answers, how whatever they have asked here. So this is how this Instagram stickers, questions stickers look like. So this is as a ask me a questions. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.